While my wife got dressed, these 5 words caused quite a stir in my network. All my joint venture partners, everyone in my circle at the time, were talking about it. So what it's all about? Well, while my wife got dressed was the subject line of a marketing email I wrote on December 15, 2011. And this one little email that took me just a few minutes to write did something incredible. Not only it generated hundreds of sales, making me 5 figures in revenue, but it also helped me win a big joint venture contest. You see, since then I have probably written at least 10,000 emails, but still, all these years later, this subject line stands out and is one of the most impressive I have ever written. So what's the secret behind it, and how can you use the same concept to write wildly profitable emails that make people open them, click the links, and buy whatever you are selling? That's what this video is all about. And by the end of it, you'll know exactly how to write emails that get you serious results. I'll break down the email that made me $10,000 and show you how to replicate it for yourself. By the way, my name's Peter Girardi, and when I started online, I couldn't write a single word in English. I didn't know anything about marketing. You can read my story via the link in the description if you care, but the reason why I mention it here is because if I could become a top email marketer, you can certainly do it, especially today with all the AI tools at your fingertips. Oh, one more thing. How long does it take for your wife or girlfriend to get dressed? Comment below and let's dive in. Alright, my wife is awesome and we have been together for nearly 26 years. But it takes her solid 30 minutes to get properly ready when we go out. So it was the morning of December 15, 2011. Our 3-year-old at the time was in kindergarten and my wife was getting ready so that we could go to do some shopping. Meanwhile, I was preparing for a joint venture affiliate promotion. It's the kind of promotion you do when someone launches a new product. It typically lasts for a few days or a week as the product creator aims to get some serious traction and buzz about his product in a very short period of time. What's also very important for these kinds of promotions is that all affiliates are preparing special bonuses. Essentially, sometimes the competition is about those bonuses as customers are getting multiple emails at the same time and they are evaluating which one is offering the best deal for the buck. So you need to stand out in their inbox. You need to make sure they pay attention to you and not other affiliates. And this is why the subject line I used worked so well. It was personal, intriguing, and relatable. It wasn't some generic sales pitch. It was a story creating a real curiosity in my subscribers' minds. Today, people are overwhelmed with marketing emails. To get attention, lead with something that sparks curiosity or gives a peek into your life. And now I would love to hear from you. What's the most memorable email subject line you have ever written or received? Drop it in the comments below and let's compare notes. Now, let's stop here for a minute because things I just mentioned are too important to just glance over. You see, the success of email marketing, whether it's a newsletter or broadcast, starts with the offer. With so many emails flooding people's inboxes, your offer has to stand out. It's not just about pushing products, it's about delivering value that resonates with the needs and wants of your subscribers. The truth is, if your offer doesn't solve a problem or meet a deep desire, no one will care, no matter how good your subject line is. So while the subject line is absolutely essential to get attention, you won't get enough opened without it. What you do after they open your email is what separates winning email marketers from those who are diluting their audience like there is no tomorrow. Most marketers, especially newsletter authors, don't think about this at all. They just add tons of information for the sake of information without ever realizing that sending out garbage will give you a garbage response. And more importantly, this will dilute your audience to the point where they simply don't care about you anymore. I get emails like that every day, and I have also sponsored some newsletters recently to promote my company Dashniks, and the results are just ridiculous. For example, 100,000 plus subscriber newsletter sends me just 500 clicks. That's a joke and a testament to how much they have diluted their audience. Therefore, please take this first lesson into consideration. Every email you send starts with an offer. Answer the question, why should your subscribers care? Taking this first step into account will make you stand out and make the most money with every email. All right, back to my While My Wife Got Dressed email campaign. So, as I mentioned earlier, bonuses play a huge part in making a lot of money with emails during a joint venture contest. And I was looking for a bonus idea to promote the heck out of my friend's new product so that I can make 5 figures in commissions and claim the maximum in joint venture prizes. However, it's not just about the bonuses, it's about how you present them to your subscribers. You see, people generally don't care about things in an isolated way. If you say to them, hey, if you buy this product or service via my link in the email, I will give you this widget or that software or whatever, majority of your subscribers won't care. If you take the same bonuses, so the same widget, the same software or whatever it is, and you connect it with the deep desires of your subscribers, with things you have sent or sold them before, and with the product that you promote, you will get an insane response and people will be willing to buy anything from you. And this is exactly what I did with my While My Wife Got Dressed campaign. So while my wife was getting dressed, I completed 5 steps to launch a brand new online business, and I shared those steps in that email. Next, I connected those steps with the products I have sold to them before, the product that my joint venture partner was launching, and I explained to them that I'll give them a live webinar as a bonus where I will show them how they can complete the same steps. So the live webinar was my bonus, and the only thing that my subscribers had to do to get it was to buy my joint venture partner's product via my affiliate link. The result? 277 sales and over $10,000 in revenue, not to mention an increased authority with my subscribers and joint venture partners who witnessed me winning the contest and collecting the prize money. What you have to understand here is that winning that contest and making $10,000 from one email wasn't just about the money. It was a validation of all the work I had put into mastering email marketing. And I want you to experience that same feeling when your inbox lights up with sales from simple emails like that. Now, if you want to master the art of email marketing and get results like mine, 277 sales from one email, then hit the like button and comment, I want to make money with email, and be sure to subscribe. I have got more email marketing secrets lined up that will help you turn every email into a money-making machine. You see, effective email marketing is like a license to print money. It's the only medium that gives you control and freedom to communicate whatever you want. Nobody can take it away from you. Yet too many marketers neglect this power and consider their subscribers just as numbers. I never did and will never do that. I even don't look at statistics much. What I do care about is the impact that every single email makes on my subscribers. How does what I'm sharing in the email will influence the actions and consequences of those actions? Will they be better off because of my email, or am I just thinking about myself? And I don't care if you write emails as an organization or as an individual. The thinking process behind every email should be exactly the same. With each email you send, you are entering someone's personal space. They have allowed you in, so you need to respect that by offering something valuable to them, not just pushing your own agenda. The best emails are the ones that make your subscribers feel heard, understood, and excited to take action. But remember, it's value to them, not value to you. And this is why you must always use your feelings, your emotions, and things that happen in your life as part of every email marketing campaign you send. Even huge organizations should do that. In fact, I recently met a guy in person who you would recognize if I would mention his name. He has a big podcast and he's running a real estate company, making ton of money. And he told me that he has 1.2 million subscribers on his email list. Yet the revenue he mentioned his company is generating is relatively low in comparison to the number of subscribers he has. Unfortunately, he was too arrogant for me to talk to him about it, so I didn't say anything, but inside, I knew that he wasn't doing a good job with his email marketing campaigns because he was not using the principles and strategies you learned here today. All right, everything I have shared with you in this video has the potential to transform your email marketing and even your life. Watch this video again, share it with friends, and start applying these insights to your next campaign. I guarantee you'll see the difference in your results. Finally, if you are ready to elevate your marketing game even further, make sure to follow the link in the description. Thank you for watching. My name is Peter Garrity, and I'll talk to you in the next video soon.